It's not just house cats that can end up in a bit of trouble with humans. Even the mighty cougar isn't safe from a little house arrest. Don't let that slightly dopey look fool you. These big cats are some of the largest carnivores in the Americas. Despite their size, they're not in the same big cat club as lions or tigers. Technically, cougars belong to the small cat family, making them the largest of the small cats. Basically the heavyweight champs of their league. That's why they're also called the mountain lion or the American golden cat. Their fur is usually a light tan, but it can range from silvery gray to a warm reddish color. Baby cougars come with adorable blue eyes, spotted coats, and ringed tails. Like they couldn't decide if they wanted to be cheetahs or house cats. Despite their fierce reputation, most cougars aren't looking to pick a fight with humans. In fact, some people have even raised them as pets. Hand-raised cougars can end up acting more like big, overgrown